Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Honkai Star Rail on Mac. First, understand that the game does not have a native Mac OS version. To enjoy this popular title, you will need to set up a Windows environment on your Mac. This can be achieved through a few different methods, each offering its own advantages for gameplay. One popular method is using a virtual machine. Begin by installing virtualization software such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion. Next, create a new virtual machine and install a full version of Windows onto it. Remember to allocate sufficient resources, like at least 8 GB of RAM and 100 GB of storage, for the best gaming experience. Another excellent option is cloud gaming. Services such as GeForce Now or Boosteroid allow you to stream Honkai Star Rail directly to your Mac without needing a local Windows installation. This method requires a very stable and high-speed internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay. Once your Windows environment is ready, download and install Honkai Star Rail just as you would on a PC. Before playing, ensure your Mac specifications meet the game's minimum requirements. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance, ensuring an enjoyable experience on your Apple device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.